I hate people. I hate people with a fiery fucking passion. And the people that I hate with a fiery passion are the people that are too goddamn stupid to drive their cars properly. I want you to look at the silverish SUV in front of that red truck. This is on my way home today from getting my wife from work. And look at this stupid fucking bitch.
So for things that you could knock out while I'm at work.
We're driving along. You see right there, her fucking turn signal turns on. Right there. Last fucking second. Blinks twice. One blink, two blink, and just starts coming into the lane. Now you guys can't see it, but she gets all the way over here. You guys also can't see it, but as she's just pulling into this fucking lane, regardless of if I'm there or not. Oh, why didn't you hit your brakes, Corey? I don't know, because we're driving at traffic speed and I didn't expect her to just pull into my fucking lane. She's looking over her right shoulder as she's driving into the fucking left lane. Luckily, there's nobody right here, because this, regardless of if I'm coming up or not, I have on video this bitch just pulling into the lane as we're driving. We're all driving normal at speed. Everyone speeds up. I start speeding up a little bit, and this bitch just cuts the fuck in. I've had these discussions with people online where they seem to think that as soon as their blinker's on, the world needs to stop so they can change lanes. If you're one of these people, you are fucking retarded. In order to change lanes, it is your responsibility, the person that's changing lanes, to make sure that the lane that you're pulling into is not currently fucking occupied. If I'm in the left-hand lane and you're in the right-hand lane and you really want to get into the left-hand lane, that's on fucking you. Yet there's dumbasses like this fucking cunt who think that, well, I had my blinker on, that means I can change lanes. No. Fuck you. I hope you get fucking cancer, you dumb cunt.